Alright, we're back. Alright, clean the hole out. It's screwed all the way to the bottom. It really tore it up when that bushing spun around in there. So, I got a real small boring bar here, boring head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut this thing out. I'm going to use this to bore the hole. If I get this damn thing to come out of here. There we go. So that's a real small boring bar. These are bigger ones over here, boring heads. So this one has a real small bit in it. So what I'm going to go in here, I'm going to bore this thing on the same center point I'm at right now, because I haven't moved, the machine hasn't moved yet, it's on 0, 0. So I'm just going to bore this until it cleans up around, and then I'll just leave it at that. And then I'll try to get some kind of a blueprint, and I'll measure the hole and see if it seems like it's on center. If not, I can make it bigger. And I'll have to make a step dowel pin to make it work. So that's what we're going to do. Worst case, we should be close, but close is not too good when you're dealing with dowel pinned holes. Ideally, you want to be on the money. The problem is we have no idea where on the money's at. We just know we're screwed right now. Okay, I got to come up a little bit. Boom. How come we're off center? Oh, it's cut real big. Alright. We're not off center, we're just boring a hole big. This is what I use for doing valve guides, so it's cut for, it's probably set for like a 9/16 or something right now. We're going to wind up being down here a lot smaller. Deep we're going to go here. Another 100. There we go, it should bottom out. Back it off a little bit. Alright, let's see how bad this is. Okay, so we went all the way in the hole and it did not bottom out yet. So that's a good sign. Okay, so I'm going to go over here and give it some cutting. Open up about 10th thou. See if that does the trick. Start cutting. Not cutting yet. Go down until it stops there. Here it's just starting to cut at the bottom of the hole. It was off center, it sounded. Just doesn't surprise me. There's another 5 or 10s. Those are 10s. So they should cut something now. Still not cutting. There it goes. You can see in there or not? I can't see in there. Okay, cut another 10. Cut something this time, I would think. There we go. Way at the very bottom, you see it cutting down there. Way down there in the bottom of the hole. Okay, give it 10 more. Hopefully that'll clean the hole up. Yep. Cutting all the way around. Looks like it cut all the way around. Give it a couple more thou just to make it a nice, smooth, even hole. So we don't know what the hole is, so it doesn't really matter. I got to make a pin to fit it. Alright, there we go. Nice hole all the way down the bottom. Hopefully. Looks decent. Alright. See which one's the caliper and ain't broken. Yep, that's the good one. $276. All right, it's 276 is the hole size right now. So we'll do the, have to make a step dowel. Like, so I'm about to see if I get some kind of a blueprint design, because I don't know exactly where that needs to be. I might have to play around this 2 or 3 times if I can't get a blueprint. I'll just have to put a cover on here or see if it lines up. And I think I got a billet cam cover. I can probably back figure off of that. We have a dowel pin hole here. We got a cam cover, cam bush in here, bearing, and a pinion bush in here. I can get all 3 of those dimensions to be exactly what the cam cover is and reverse engineer where that hole is at. Nothing else, I can probably do that and come back and recut it right on the money within a thou, hopefully. Then we'll be good, but assuming that's what this case was cut to, you never know how accurate the case was made. Either way, it's going to be fun. So for now, it's got a hole in there. It should be within 3, I would think, of where it was originally. But who knows? All right. I'm going to take this all apart, and then we're going to go ahead and put something and bore out the spigot like I was going to do in the first place. What fun.